Did you know that leeches are used as a medical treatment? It may sound surprising, but this therapy has been practiced in Ayurveda for thousands of years. In Ayurveda, this is called Jalaukavacharana, a specialized form of bloodletting therapy known as Raktamokshan. This technique is described in ancient texts like Shushruta Samhita. In this procedure, special type of leeches are applied to the affected area of the body. They gently draw out blood while releasing bioactive substances through their saliva. These substances have anti-inflammatory, anticoagulant and mild anesthetic properties, so the procedure is usually painless or causes only minimal discomfort. Leech therapy helps in blood purification, provides quick relief from pain and inflammation, useful in chronic skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis, supports healing in varicose veins and non-healing wounds. It is commonly used in conditions such as chronic skin disorders, joint pain, swelling, abscess and localized inflammation, diabetic wounds and ulcers. This therapy should always be performed by a qualified Ayurvedic practitioner. When done under proper medical supervision, it is safe and free from side effects. Proper hygiene, correct technique, and patient selection are essential to ensure safety and effectiveness. Ayurveda utilizes natural methods to restore balance in the body, and leech therapy is a fascinating example of this approach.